Well, there's been some great trades hitting target this week and last week. I just want to go through with you for this week's Trades of the Week video here at Trend Signal, and just starting off with UKOil, which was a trade that was triggered back here on the 13th of October. So very much a trade that's in line with the major dominant trend, and the main target on a trade like this is 423 points. And so you can see from an entry at 49.16, we're looking down for around about these sorts of levels here, you know, down that we hit sort of mid last week over that big sell-off over Wednesday and Thursday of last week. A really nice move down, hitting targets. A lot of Trend Signal users picking up some very healthy profits on UKOil. USOil similarly, in fact 11 pips points more there. Here you can see that sell from the 13th of October as well, 46.58, looking for 434 points. Took a little while, lovely sell off to begin with, getting fairly close to our target zone. Big rally towards the tail end of October, and then coming off of that second wave down, hitting our target as well. So best part of 850 points there from those two oil trades. And yeah, we're in those trades for about a month, but do you know what? I'd happily be in a trade for a month for 400 points apiece, really. Let's have a look at a few other opportunities that have hit target over the last few days. Starting off with dollar CAD, which hit target just yesterday. We had that buy back from the 21st of October. Very strong opening candlestick, and in many ways, I don't really tend to mind that. Often we find those sorts of entries tend to lead some decent trades because they've got some good force behind them, and giving us a target of 231 points, which we hit yesterday, it really goes to cement that view that, you know, that good full force behind it. Lovely trade in line with the dominant trend on dollar CAD, which is very much positive and has been for some time now. And so very, very healthy profit there. Again, a little bit like oil, nice start to the trade, pulling back, and then that second wave pushing prices up to that target zone before just backing off a little bit today. But you know what? It can do what it likes now. I really don't mind. The fact of the matter is we've gone long. We've hit our target, we've made some points, and 231 of them indeed, and now we're moving on. Having a look at a few more, the indices here, again, sniper trades. We actually recommended slightly smaller targets than we might normally do, simply because, well, I won't go into too much detail, but we discussed it very much in the workshops, but the DAX here, I say small targets, it was still 200 points, and we hit that on, I think, Monday or Friday. Again, very healthy profit from that short sniper that you can see triggering here on the 10th of November. So from 108.51, target of 200 points, that's 106.51. Very nice profit indeed there. Also looking through to the S&P 500, again, lovely short there from the 9th of November from 2077.6, looking for 240 points or 24 big dollars on this move. Again, moving down to those levels, rallied dramatically back above that target level now, but that's fine. Again, it can do what it likes after I've taken profits. That's absolutely fine. But a lovely trade here. A lot of Trend Signal users getting on these indices. And then finally, as far as the indices are concerned, a little look at the Dow. Obviously going to look fairly similar to the US S&P 500, but here from the 10th, so the day after, we got the trigger on the Dow from 17755 and a target of 184 points, picking that up on Thursday of last week. So actually taking profits on most, if not all, of those indices before the weekend last week. So very healthy points there. In fact, those four trades there on the DAX, S&Ps, Dow, dollar CAD, that was another 855 points on those four trades there. So just those 6 trades I've shown you so far, that's best part of 1,700 points profit. And this is, again, simple to follow stuff, really. Let's have a look at 3 trades that are currently open. We've got a couple more, but not quite showing such impressive profits. But let's have a look Still profitable though, everything's going the right way at the moment, which is great. New Zealand CAD here, currently up 200 points from that short from the 29th of October, really moving the right way. Very quiet for a couple of weeks in this sort of early part of November. Really started to wake up yesterday on some data over in the east, and really moving down very nicely there. Currently 86.11 from a short of 88.13, so that's what 200 points and change there really. So again, nice profit there. Similar points up on Aussie dollar. Let's move on to that one. Australian dollar against the US dollar. There's that buy there from the 3rd of November. Good, strong, full entry candlestick like dollar CAD, but again you can see the way in which that's really set the tone for a lovely move over the following couple of weeks. And here we are from a long of 107.78, currently now 109.78, exactly 200 points up on this trade as we stand. But fascinating trade though as well is sterling New Zealand. We're currently up just over 500 points on this trading opportunity at the moment, really going in the right direction. Had a little bit of a wobble at the beginning of the trade, but really started to move on very nicely now. So some fantastic trades at the moment. We've booked about 1,700 points profit over the last week, and we've got, well, a good few hundred points open as well in some very, very good profitable positions too. So that's Trend Signal. It's been a good couple of weeks, and if you'd like to know more about how we do it and actually how you can do it too, then please make sure you come along to one of our webinars. We hold them once or twice a week, and you really get to learn exactly how we identify these sniper trades and how you could look to get into those opportunities as well. It's simple to follow, it's rules based, it's non-discretionary, so it's something that anybody could do even without much experience of trading, or any indeed. Anyway, have a good week's trading, everybody. Catch you soon.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.